Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am gonna tell you about Huawei P30 Lite 2020. In this video, I am gonna also tell you the retail price of Huawei P30 Lite 2020 and coming price of Huawei P30 Lite 2020 and also expected price of Huawei P30 Lite 2020 and the official warranty given by the company, yes or not. Before starting the video, if you are new on my channel, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon for the further notification on my video. So let's get start the video. Now here we have gonna tell you about the detailed specification of Huawei P30 Lite 2020. Here we have built-in quantity of OS, Android 9.0 by UI EMUI 9.1 dimension N by A weight N by A SIM dual stand by nano SIM color peacock blue mid light black pearl white. Here we have in frequency 2G band SIM 1 GSM 850/900 /1800/1900 SIM 2 GSM 850/900/1800/1900 3GM HSDPA 850/900/1900/2100 4G band LTE band. Here we have in processor CPU 2.2 GHz octa-core chipset Quiden 710 SoC GPU Mali G51 MP4. Here we have in display technology IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen 16 mm color multi-touch size 6.15 inch resolution 1080 into 2312 pixel 415 ppi. Here we have in memory built-in 128 GB built-in 4 by 6 GB RAM card micro SD card support up to 512 GB. Here we have in camera made triple camera 48 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 2 megapixel LED flash. Features face detection, geo-tagging, touch focus, face detection, SDR panorama video, front 24 megapixel. Here we have in connectivity WLAN, Wi-Fi 802.11, dual band, Wi-Fi direct, hotspot, Bluetooth V5.0 with A2DP LE, ADR, iPad X, GPS, yes, a GPS port, and Clonus radio, FM radio, USB 2.0 Type C 1.0 reversible connector, USB on the go. NFC data GPRS H3G HSPA 42.2/5.76 MB 4G LTE to CA Cat 6 400 by 50 MB. Here we have in features sensor, accelerometer, compass, fingerprint, rear mounted gyro proximity, audio 3.5 mm, audio jack MP3E, AAC plus slash WAV/flat player XVID MP4 H.265 player speakerphone browser HTML5 messaging SMS branded view MMS email push mail IM games built-in plus downloadable torch yes extra active noise cancellation with dedicated mic document viewer photo by video editor. Here we have in battery capacity LiPo non-removable 3340 mAh fast battery charging. Here we have in price 62,999. This is Pakistani expected price. So I hope you can like this video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.